So here we are with something from HotBoyz. This is their chicken tender sando combo. So it's a chicken sandwich here. I'm going to open it up and see what all is on top. Chicken tenders, and it looks like there's slaw as well as their sauce here. Oh, some pickles over here. Let me get that more centered. And then fries on the side. So what is unique here about HotBoyz is that they do things a little differently. So number one, you can choose your heat level. So I went with something, I'll say kind of safe, mild. And then you can also get their sandwiches as, you know, with the tenders, but they also do a dark meat. So they do a thigh fillet, which is unique. You don't see that very often. So overall, it looks really good. I like when they do, you know, a slaw or a salad on top of the sandwich. I think it goes very well. Pickles for that tang. So I'm expecting some really good things with this sandwich here. So I'm just going to review the sandwich. The fries, you know, I think it's their house seasoning. I think the fries are going to be just wonderful, but I'm really focusing on the sandwich here. So let's dig in. Dear Lord Jesus, thank you for this meal. Yes, oh yeah. Very nice. Let's get a nice bite of that.
So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be trying various chicken sandwiches all spring, all summer, maybe even into fall. So we wanted to start off with a good one. We really like HotBoyz, though typically Lizzie gets the dark meat chicken sandwich, but we know that most of the restaurants around have the white meat chicken. So she chose to do the white meat chicken, which is slightly different than what she normally gets there, so I'll be curious to see what she's going to review it. But we're going to get lots of chicken sandwiches from lots of different places this summer.
Oh yeah, going to be exciting.
So you're one bite in?
One bite in. It was a big bite. That was a big bit of chicken there on the side. Let me just give my first impressions, because they have this rub, this seasoning on it that's really quite unique. Does have a little bit of kick. I'm perfectly fine with the mild. It's got that heat there, so it's not, you know, nothing there. But it adds a nice bit of sweetness on the end, which is pretty unique. So it's got that sweet and spicy going on. Not too much sweetness. Goes really well with the slaw on top, and then the chicken. Ooh, Very nicely cooked, very juicy. Let's get another bite here before I give you my score. Those flavors go so well together. Good amount of spice, good amount of kick in there, but it's not too overwhelming. Great cook on the chicken. It's still crispy and nice. That tender fits the bun really well. And you can see they did a little bit too much. It doesn't taste burnt at all, but they even toasted the bun, which is such a nice touch. Overall, this is a fantastic sandwich. I'm going to give it an 8.4 out of 10.